The boat scuff eraser works best when slightly wet. Lightly dampen the boat scuff eraser and then squeeze it to remove excess water. Gently scrub stained or scuffed surfaces before rinsing or wiping the treated area. Stubborn stains may require a repeated application and more vigorous scrubbing before rinsing clean. The boat scuff eraser is safe for most fiberglass and vinyl surfaces, but test it for effect in an inconspicuous area before using it on large areas. Also, test for effect before using it on varnished or painted wood surfaces.